Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I just want to do a quick unboxing video on the Apple iPad Pro, the 11-inch with the M2 chip, which I recently picked up. And I figured I would do sort of just a size comparison to the iPad Air and also the first gen Apple iPad Pro. So let's take these stickers off. So this is the space gray version. Obviously it's the iPad Pro 11-inch, and this is the can't seem to get it open. It's the 11-inch screen and the 128 gigabyte version, just with the Wi-Fi, because basically I typically just use this at home, or use the iPad at home. So here we have the iPad. Oh, it's very thin. Put that to the side. We've got the literature designed by Apple in California. So I'm sure this is like stickers and the legal stuff. Looks like a 20-watt power brick, and then USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Put that back, and let's get this stickers off of it. Always satisfying. So yeah, like I said, this is the, oops, didn't do that right, but yeah, they have to come off anyway, right? Alright, so here it is. It's actually really nice. It's very thin. So I figured I would sort of compare it to, here I have an iPad Air. This is also, I think this is 10 or 11 inches. Sorry, that's my niece's cat, because this is what she uses for school. So in profile wise, they're pretty similar, like next to each other. Yeah, so they're about the same size, same buttons. I guess this would be the antenna. Similar speaker grills at the bottom. They're both USB-C. The Ear has wider grills, but I'm sure the sound from the Pro is definitely better. Same thing at the top. And obviously you have Touch ID for the Ear up here, whereas the Pro gets Face ID. All right, and then I also wanted to sort of compare it to a Gen 1 iPad Pro. So this is the 9.7-inch version. So I figured I would do sort of a side-by-side comparison. So it's definitely grown just a tad bit. Obviously that's for Touch ID. And this used to have the Lightning port, speaker grills at the bottom and the top, and then also a headphone jack, which the new one does not have. So yeah, definitely the old one definitely looks quite a bit thinner. Or yeah, the old device is actually thinner than the new one, but and weight wise, I'd say they're about the same actually. But obviously, you know, this thing is 5 years old and I still actually use it. This time around I got the iPad with the Apple Pencil. I never really took notes on this device with the Apple Pencil 1. I think that had support for this. But you know, this is sort of getting long in the tooth at this point. I've had this for, I don't know, like 5 years. And I figure with the M2, you know, this should really last another 5 years or so. Even though I think probably next year these devices are up for redesign, because literally this year they just had the M2 chip upgrade. That's pretty much all they did. So there you go, just setting it up. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. I just wanted to do a quick sort of, compare the size and the weight. The Air doesn't really feel much lighter than the Pro. The difference maybe, I don't know, a couple ounces, but really not noticeable. Anyways, yeah, so I just wanted to do a quick video on just an unboxing and sort of compare these three different devices. Obviously, much older generation. The iPad Air, it's still an excellent device. For me, since I use the Pro iPhones with the ProMotion display, when I tried out the Air, or even the Mini or the new iPad, the 60 hertz display and the 120 hertz on the Pro models, you can definitely see the difference, which is why I was almost, forced to chalk up extra money for the Pro, just because I wanted the better display. And yeah, their pricing ladder is genius, pure genius. But yeah, so anyways, if you have an iPhone that has a 60 hertz display, you're not really going to notice a difference. When you're probably just better off getting an Air, because it does basically everything super well, and it has a 60 hertz display. The Pro, for me, it's literally just for the display, and that's because I use a Pro iPhone that has the newer faster refresh rate screens, and when I just played around with the screen, it was just, you're probably not going to be able to see it on camera, but the Pro iPads just have very smooth screens. So anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please please comment, any questions, concerns, good things, bad things, anything. I'd love to start a discussion around these products. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.